welcome back to another video. Today I have a pretty large Target home decor haul for you guys. I asked over on my Instagram if you guys were interested in seeing the stuff that I've been accumulating since Christmas. I've been kind of slowly accumulating this stuff so that we could do kind of a small refresh on our house. You know, once Christmas decorations get put away, your house feels kind of bare, and for me, I just like having kind of like a fresh start. So this stuff is all from Target. I am going to have some hauls coming up here in the next few days from other stores, but everything you see here was purchased at Target. So I'm going to break it down room by room for you guys so it's not too overwhelming, and I will tell you each piece I got and where I plan on putting it. Alright, so I thought we would start off with the dollar section. To be honest with you, I'm kind of particular about what I actually bring home from the dollar section just because some of the quality hasn't been that great. Like, I don't love their tea towels and stuff like that, so I'm just mindful of what I actually bring home and make sure it's something we are going to use. And I saw this locally grown organic carrot patch pillow, which I thought would be cute on our front porch, just on the little chairs that we have out there. And this was $5. And then I saw this wreath and I thought it would be cute to have a candle in the middle of it, so I picked that up and that was $5. And then these two little carrots I thought would be perfect for like a tray, like a tiered tray in my kitchen, and these were only $1 a piece. And then I got these measuring spoons. This I probably won't actually use for baking. I'll probably use it more for decor, maybe on a tray. And this was $3. And then this little, I would imagine it's meant to be like a ring holder next to the sink, so I'll either use it there or on one of my trays. This was only $1. I thought it was cute with the bunny ears. And then these aren't from the dollar section, but they're pretty fairly priced. I believe this one was, these are like $2, $2.50. I usually get some sets of these plates for every holiday. They have Christmas and all that stuff, so I pick up one set and it's good for breakfast for my kids and when I set up like a themed lunch for them. So I picked up the eggs, and then I thought these were cute too. They're the little bunnies. They do have matching mugs, which I'll link as much as I can below. But I think I'm going to go back and pick up the matching mugs for them because I think my girls would like that a lot. Alright, so moving on to some of the kitchen decor I picked up. I really love the Hearth and Hand line from Joanna Gaines at Target. So most of this stuff is from that line. I will try and link everything I can below. One tip is that a lot of this stuff, ever since COVID happened, Target doesn't keep a huge stock online. So there's like a notification button that you can press. So if it's out of stock, it will notify you when it comes in stock. Now you have to be super quick when they notify you because they sell back out very quickly. So if you see something you like, it's not in stock, sign up for the notifications and Target will notify you when it comes in stock. So the first thing I got was this tray. I'm not thrilled with the coloring. I ordered this online. So sometimes when you order online with Target, you obviously are not hand picking which one you like. This one seems to pull a little bit more yellow than I like, so I might return it or exchange it for a different one. But it is cute. I do like the size of it. It's nice and big. And this one was $39.99. And again, it's nice and big. You can store a ton on there. And then next up, I picked up this little cake tray. I have another cake tray, but this one is flat. It's not like on a pedestal. So I thought it would be cute in the kitchen. And then to go with that, this one was $19.99. And then to go with that, I got these sugar cookies. They're like pre-packaged sugar cookies. I thought they would be cute for Easter decorations inside of the little cake tray. And those are also from Target. And then another thing I picked up were these risers. This I'll use probably to hold a candle, or maybe my kitchen soaps, or in the bathroom soaps up next to the sink, just to give it a little bit of texture. And these were, I believe, $6. If it's not $6, I will flash something up on the screen here now. Again, everything will be linked below for you. This was something that went out of stock very quickly, and it's still going in and out of stock, but if you put the notifications on, you should be able to grab one. And then I like getting seasonal napkins for my kids for like Easter, Christmas, stuff like that, so I wanted a little holder for it. This is from the Hearth and Hand line, and I believe this was $9.99. And then I picked up the set of like 3 little snack bowls and mini plates. This actually I would use as decor, but also it's functional decor because my kids will eat goldfish or M&Ms or whatever inside of there, and the plates are nice and small for a quick snack. So these were $3.99 for the appetizer plates, and then $3.99 for each bowl. Again, cute, functional decor. I kind of like that, having decor that you can use and actually keep the stuff in, like the canisters actually keeping the cookies in, the flowers in, etc. So this is the canister set that I picked up. I have the cookies, flour, sugar, and coffee. I have canisters, but I just like these because they kind of go with my theme right now, which is cream and wood. That's what I'm loving right now. It's like cream, textures, wood, stuff like that. So I thought they would fit in perfectly in our kitchen. And then I also grabbed this little salt holder. This was $5.99, and I cook with French salt, so I thought it would be nice to have next to my stove. Again, functional decor. And then I grabbed this little rotating Lazy Susan. I'm not sure if I'm going to use this in the kitchen or even in our bathroom, like put, you know, Q-tips or something like that on there. And this one was $17.99, and it's actually really good quality and a decent size. It's smaller, which is nice because most of the trays I have are larger. And then the last thing I got was some seasonal soaps. This is something that I like to switch out. Again, seasonally for Christmas we had the Mrs. Meyer Snowdrop. These are the Method dish soaps. This red one smells so good, but so do, they all do actually. So this is 2 dish soaps and a hand wash. Again, functional decor. And these were around like $2.99. I'll link them down below for you guys. But I also picked up this tray. My girlfriend actually had this. It's from the Project 62 line. It was, I believe, $12.99. And you just put it next to your sink. Functional decor. Super cute. Alright, so next I have some just basic living space decor. I don't have specific places that I want this stuff to go quite yet, but it's just stuff that I know I will use throughout our house. So the first thing is this tray. This is by the Threshold line. Again, with the textures, I like the fact that it's like a neutral color, but still textured. I will either use this most likely on our coffee table or at my coffee station in my kitchen. And this was $20. I believe. Again, everything will be linked down below for you guys. And then I picked up this Threshold Hurricane. I thought I would put a little candle in there. Again, not 100% sure where I'm going to use this, but I feel like this stuff is so neutral it could really go in any room in your house. And then next up, I picked up this milk jug. It's like their medium-sized milk jug. I have the large one, and I wanted something that was a little bit smaller that I could maybe put on our bathroom counter. And this one was $24.99. And then I picked up these stems. These are again from the Hearth and Hand line. There's 3 of them. I thought this would be good for my entryway table. They kind of remind me of spring, nice and white and airy, and they are a decent quality. So I usually get my stems from Hobby Lobby because you can usually get some cheaper ones there, but I really like these. And these were $5.99. And then I got a candle. I typically don't love spring scented candles. Like, I'm not a floral scented candle person whatsoever. So this one is sugared birch, and it smells like kind of like marshmallow fireside-y, like esque. But it's still green, so when you turn it around, it'll match all of our spring decor. And this was $12.99 from the Hearth and Hand line. And then this little terrarium I came across in the outdoor, like the patio furniture section, and I figured I could use this inside. I don't necessarily know that I'm going to use it for a terrarium, but I thought it would be cute. I just got the Everett table from World Market, and I thought it would be cute on there. Again, wood tone, and you can even put like twinkle lights in there or Easter eggs or anything really, just a little vase to put some stuff in. And then I picked up this vase from the Threshold line with Studio McGee. This one was, I think, $20. There's 2 of them. There's a larger one, which I have my notifications on for right now at Target, and this smaller one. I've seen this one used even as like a utensil holder. I'm not sure, again, where I'm going to put this quite yet. It's either going to go in my living room or in my kitchen. And then the last thing I got was this eucalyptus wreath from the Hearth and Hand line. I actually like using wreaths on my interior doors, not just on the exterior, so I think this is going to go on our guest bathroom door. Alright, so next up I have some bathroom refresh items. Our bathroom was decorated completely for Christmas, so I wanted to get something that was neutral. Again, you can kind of see the trend here. I'm going with like creams and earth tones and cozy and texture. That's kind of like my general vibe for our whole house right now. So I picked up this little picture frame. thought it was cute and that maybe I could put it on our shelf in the bathroom. I'll just lean it up against that way there's no nails in it, and it's something that I can take down and put back up as I want to. And then
How much was this, dear?
Oh, if you guys haven't picked up on this yet, my husband's helping me film. This was $19.99. Then I picked up this shower curtain. This is from the Threshold line. Don't buy anything from their bath section without there being a decent sale. This I got for 15% off. I think I maybe paid $17, $15 for this. So it's nice because it's textured and it's that color, like creamy, that I like. And then to kind of bring in that like farmhouse look to it, I picked up these gold shower curtain holders, rings, whatever you want to call them. And these were only $9.99 from the Hearth and Hand line. And then to go on my shelf for the towel bars, I got these towels. I believe these are from the Casa line, and these were around $5.99 a piece. I liked the little fringe to give some texture over on that part of the wall. And then I picked up 3 of these tea towels from the Hearth and Hand line. These were $3.99. I really like the color. You know, typically you see this color only at fall time, but it seems to be really popular this summer. Not that I care, I decorate my home however I want to, but just in case that is something that matters to you. These were $3.99, and I will put these probably on I have a little towel ladder in there, or on one of our other towel holders. And then if you have never put a lamp, like a mini lamp, in your bathroom, I highly recommend it. It makes it so cozy in there. It's super easy way to add texture and just that cozy lighting, so you don't have to turn on the harsh bathroom lights. This was around $15. It's from the Threshold line. Again, if you have never done that, even in your kitchen counters, that is a perfect place to put a little lamp. It just adds that soft lighting, and I think lighting is a huge part of decor. And then I got this amber glass jar for a soap dispenser. This was, I believe, like $9.99. Again, I never pay full price for my bathroom stuff from Target because every other couple weeks they usually have a sale for 15% off, or even sometimes even more. And then these 2 little canisters are from the Hearth and Hand line. Bless you, Thor. You can see the texture on here. That's what I really liked about these. They can hold like Q-tips or anything that you really need, or you can just leave them empty in your bathroom if you don't have anything. This one was $9.99, and this was $12.99 for the larger one. And then I thought this was a super easy way to bring in some greenery in the bathroom. This again is from the Hearth and Hand line, and I believe this one was $19.99. Again, lots of texture, sticking with that cream color scheme that I like right now. And then this actually is sold out currently at Target. So one tip that I have for you, if you're like on the hunt for something specific, especially from like the Hearth and Hand line or Rae Dunn, check out Mercari or Poshmark. A lot of I mean, this was new with the tax. This has never been used before, and I only paid $1 more than it was in store. So that's a tip if you're on the hunt for something specific. Definitely check out those websites. So I thought we would put this on the wall above the door. It's super cute, the powder room writing. And then the last thing I got for the bathroom was this rug. It's nice and textured. Again, cream. I feel like I'm saying the same things over and over again, but that's really what I'm going for. It's just texture and coziness and those earth tones. And this one was $19.99. Alright, and the last few things that I got from Target was this Casa blanket. I really loved that it is super big. It's the king size. It's big, it's chunky. A lot of times my kids will come in my room and hang out in there while I'm getting ready, so they like a blanket to pull up over them. So I got this. This is an investment piece. This wasn't super cheap, but it's super chunky, great quality, nice and soft. So I thought we would pick that up for our master bedroom. That I believe was $69.99. And then this lamp took me forever to find this lamp. Like, I was waking up at 3 o'clock in the morning when I would get the restock notifications on Target, and I still wasn't fast enough. So there's somebody else who was on the hunt for this, grabbing it even faster than I could. I randomly found it in a store about 45 minutes away from us. My daughter and I ran and picked it up. It was the last one they have. I just loved the size of it. Like I said, we had gotten that new Everett table from World Market, and I think this is going to be like the perfect size. I like the fact that there's this texture right here, And then if you can see, there's a wood base right here and that cream again. So it just kind of ties everything together. Really love this lamp. If you can find it, I highly recommend it. It was $49.99. And then one random thing that I forgot for the kitchen was this oversized table runner. We have a really large kitchen table. It's almost impossible to find a table runner that is long enough for it. And Hearth and Hand always comes out. They had one at Christmas and now one right now that is long enough to cover it. So this one was $24.99 and I picked this up online. Alright guys, so that was everything from my Target home decor haul. I would have to say these are probably my 3 favorite items from the haul. Let me know in the comment section below what your favorite item was, or if there's something you found recently at Target that I should check out. I am always open for new inspiration and new fun pieces to look at, especially from Target, one of my favorite stores. Don't forget to like this video if you liked home decor hauls. I know I was a little bit rusty, but I'm getting back into the swing of things, and actually I have some hauls from a couple other stores that should be posted in the next few weeks, so make sure you are subscribed. As always, I thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.